Because on say as a crano, did you kind of a fain will pick your skills?
Oh yes.
1 year obia where to me a CBB a quadrim.
There be a fain
a child is a developing if you like being a potential adult. And when developing so be a make comment at a degrade a further degree.
Oh,
can't be actually be a master of near or what kind of best
sir?
Because about you already know. Only you say the skills no mature.
Yeah,
the skills no baby you do just a
but I do only mushy. I feel would develop
and a burden anytime you are destroying a burden potential. Okay, burden. Just say BUDDING. A friend ever up. Now, all can't be etiapa. You are destroying it. Because it's a growing thing. I feel it is a sign a tender. It is a plant. Diaka krakeya fence wawane fence dumne. Nina were very tender.
No, it's sans
and a son obey me a boom.
Yeah.
Obey to me, you can just use your hand, your leg, and you can easily do it. But in India, you can't.
Oh, want to be money, sir.
You can't. And the Akresa, not Unisa. I've been into Nisa. They haven't yet been exercised. And I will fear, see, I won't say no.
Oh, Papa Matthias, yes. At that time, said the Okanakodana war. Developmental stage.
Exactly.
I think and when she was young.
Exactly.
And say who can make a comment be
exactly.
Just I know thing Nadia we were Jimmy Anna. No cancer. At that time no be who says be were Jimmy.
Straight away.
San obehuna.
Obehunu say were Jimmy. Wonimu nyansa. Eh na na me. And once san didn't be
when the team no.
Where you
know. Where you know.
Onyini no. Or the frafra, or the frafra, or the frafra, or the frafra. Me good, I'm not good. My bon, my saying, any my dear, between Siadi, and when you fe. All of those, or the befrasa. Now, I never acquire what I've been into when they are very interesting. Akrano, Effasan, Nibon, now can in
Aquadanas, a comment ne fina, who numba na Aquadane fan.
Some part of the brain, say, woman so brain, when are they rational thinking?
Rational thinking.
Prefrontal lobe.
If I say frontal,
prefrontal. And you see you with Tikwan Krama. Once I've been
okay.
And no, what did you name?
Sir, prefrontal.
And now they are rational thinking.
Rational thinking.
Wonderful. What did you have Kranata? Make us say you are doing a amygdala. And no naturally say, I say a bell.
Okay.
And the baby also be a box.
Yeah.
Canty. We am shown. Hey, then I meet ye. Me, I say me good.
Yeah.
Where's a nana and Brundubis a good baby.
No, and also,
not a Hannah or the a catasso.
Oh. Nessa Aquadana rational thinking.
Yes.
The Abemana Jini and Nam Sa Nessa Papa de Okan say. Some negative comment.
Right.
Any in some chichi a release certain kind of
chemicals.
A chemical. And it's a chemical and I say friend is
and it be adrenaline. It be a cortisol.
Okay.
Now, Sarkons on if you go, some part of your brain, amygdala.
I will bring.
And I said the alarm place.
Okay.
And I didn't call you be an able.
It's a no more.
And to pay more and never a kata prefrontal lobe. And or cortex. And then to me, rational thinking is impaired.
Nesama adwene no de beji dwene na sis.
Oh, Debbie.
Say adwene no.
Yam shino.
Yeah,
good.
Ampa.
Until low self-esteem.
I hold the free.
If you say ba.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
not good. I'm not good.
Onyene hu ni.
I'm not good. I'm not good. Elisa, I'm not good. I'm not good.
Eh, then your papa ye kasa che your man say very careful.
Serious. Look, you can damage your child's brain structurally. The man didn't mean you.
I'm not person can cheese.
Obet me, just a
say what
bobre, Sanyasi.
Okay, Aquadana na jene bobre. Obet me do no say no one
because it's a developing brain.
Yeah. I feel na nyini.
And to who so I can some phone children or something. O can't them the dear, and if I say an imitiabuo, now Ugu so any nano. Now I dream even the size of it and grow.
What? I didn't necessarily
the size will not grow. Now a crabia not in the size and grow piano. Nisubaye.
I could be a not in the size and
size no
baby.
Say if yes, if you say even criminal minds.
Okay, or more mad or
serial killers. And he much say a beer journey and develop it.
Not you
and tell you beyond a home. I did you what's a home be? I didn't you.
Hey,
pray frontal cortex no. And you
Papa, as no catch him any ye crum hey. Papa, Papa, every day can so. Ye crum hey. Menyin se nipa bebre ya dwene anyini wie.
Akose ebi dia.
Papa menyin ni se. Bebre na ya dwene no anyini anwie because se wo hye atem didie ye nkola abrem ebro because papa me die na me kasa na me suffer from low self esteem. Ade ba akokora ma low self esteem ne DP ye ne se.
Okay.
Na omo se me sebe ma me ho nye fe. Imagine yes. Imagine say ye didi watem wo de didi watem ne say ohunye fe na wo se bema. It I remember say me say papa no wo kasa no I was reminiscing
some of the things
na me pese me hu die ntia na me ye teenager from age 13 ABC because it took time. It was rather in my late 20s and so na me gather my confidence together.
Wow.
It as a devastating me. It enu na wo ka se wo ye say na wo say akwada na dwene. Wo ye say na wo say na me kai say me auntie bia me kwotena ne nchen. De no otimi di matempa na say wo tantan. Yes.
Wow.
Wo se wo nya fe. Wo se bema.
Wow.
Oh, yes, as me kai pa wo nya fe. Wo se bema. E wo nya fe ti sa e di mi timti me wo junior high school no that time JSS. Na me penam fofo mo ho fe na me
mo na do ho abomo.
Because na me hu ni say me di wo me ho bo wo mo no. E na be ma me nso so menya value.
Wow.
18 no na ye was some friends omo school a na omo ho fa I intentionally decided say memo ma ye madam fo. E tira me na fofo nyina ho ofe.
Ah, so na be ya just
be ya. E be ma me nso me hu say at least me so that's how I responded. So that son me responded to that abuse no.
Wow.
Me responded to that abuse no through say me fan am fofo. E tira me na fofo nyina ye kokko. Because I no kokko fo nko a. Me na fofo no ye kokko fo nko a mo ho ofe. Eti omo besam ya na area fo wadam fi de ne ho ofe o insane so no na ama me nso mehu say me nso me important because mate wo masum say me ho nya fe na me se bema eti no me hu say I'm not good enough. I'm not beautiful enough.
Look at how a younger brain.
Yeah.
Accra was so. Or potential.
Yeah.
Baby who nya me edi
episode do we? Yeah.
Na baby I do beto ye. And the environment. Baby I do beto ye, baby I wo to ye.
Baby I do.
It's people say you can have a potential but the environment will kill you.
Papa, paper repeat it. Repeat when I repeat it.
You can have
you
can have the best of potentials, but the environment will kill you.
Nessa, who bet me a bewiase and Yamid Yama bebre room.
What be a
room one Yama Cassia Casabeti and baby a bewo to Yano. And one will be bet me a woosado much at the
ya will just have a to a
yeah.
Nanka a bit warm. One was young cotton,
almost young cotton,
young tono. Hey. So the environment is very powerful. It's a good mission bina or canasama. And then I am me a bit judging confront.
I like that.
You don't know where they are coming from.
And my young money part if it's a winning baby,
you don't know.
Winning baby, I won't a toy, wouldn't abuse I wash him.
You don't know. You have no idea. They were from as someone from somebody catch I did be a teacher, dear catch when he was going on.
Hey.
And then and Crawford was here. Now, because the most devastating thing is this. So I done for catch yourself when you fat.
Yeah. What done for on and nam catch yourself when you're fresh and your big deals. Yeah, be and one, Madame for asking when you're today.
But you have to be say significant others.
Significant others. Oh, mammy.
Oh, mammy.
Oh, papa.
Oh, papa. Wunia.
Wukunu. Wanti.
Uncle Fred Boyiri. Uncle Fred Bell.
Uncle Fred Bell, what I say, who no. Who hear what Bell? Who hear what more?
Because they know you.
They
know you. Woman more. Woman may be a friba.
Yeah.
It is as Uncle from catch or say. Mese won when you fe.
When you fe.
Mese what's a bema.
When you time.
We bema.
When they cracker.
And some more Becca. Obi catch.
Wa no say kuraba. Ya abata sie didi ate papa apo. Na wa no kakraka se kuraba. Uti kakraka se kube. Ni apoche. Na so omo se na so no sa adanko. Wa so te se. Abata bia no ya o. Papa abata bia no ya o. And waso sa danko. Waso
tente say e yire bia tete. Oh, eti akoso
di watem.
Tena me kan. Me say the younger the brain,
the
deeper the imprinting. And he say adwenu so na efe na enyini. Na da bia wo sore a. Me say wo de won ye bia. Onkosi yaga. Me say wo me ma banyem along the way. Hey, obedi 15 years obewo. Me say wo onfa hemre me.
Papa sam no kwana wo.
Oh yeah, me mani now so. Ko won ya abofra bia.
Papa no kwana wo kana no pay.
Me say wo da achen ye fe. And then no to so krampa me kran ha na ade am ye ye. Me say wo say now we oba now. Oh, me nim ka dem oba ra kran na no me be ho.
Papa, asam na reality na wo kana.
These are the words.
Papa, reality
na wana pe.
Ai.
Ehia, obi ka je ne baba say okwa ne to say sakis scissors. Ai.
Na hwia.
I say what to say sakis scissors. Na o kasa cha obaba enti onam ho a. Na say na no to nyina scissors sakis. Adwene nya sesa wadwene.
Papa mu ayo.
Na wo say wo ba.
O say wo ba.
Enti o de hewa go so ebi nko twa. Enkra bi ekotwere sams. Ajebe fra ne ba atunufo. So akoso ya no kwe. Menim say wo de wabe. Hey. You can write obetumi atwo mia ho. Wo de say wo kana on tiasia move to.
O sending crying.
Wo tiasia no na ye. Obi nso fra ne ba no. Wa no kwa. Sana how kwa JHS no. They said you only had 10,000 brand. Oh, here some ya o catch up here. When you wura examination mo pass ya 10,000. 10,000. And one they run you. Et when him say one ya there. Enti awon fam utie ne.
Yeah.
Mon kan hu say. Mon mamba ne dache. They are in your own declarations.
Asama papa kan say oba na wawo no. Oba bema, oba ba no. Ne dachi ejina wano asem so.
Yo.
Chanen so.
Yo.
Oba na wawo no. Woba ne yedie, woba ne nkanko, woba ne mpumtuo ejina wano asem so. Wobetimi de wano asaya kwada no.
Na ekosi oni ma ade ba ko a. Na na me dwan me oh. Emom parent be amwa.
Yeah.
Your baby in the brain, if any hippocampus.
Hippocampus. Brain.
Yes. And the boy hema etumi kainema. Memory and learning.
Okay.
Obi osuade bia no. The memory part of your brain. The learning part of your brain.
The ma kaya de. Yes, retentive memory no.
Exactly. Hippocampus no.
Hippocampus.
Yes. Hippo and campus.
Mama dear. I didn't want to say there. Hippocampus.
What you say Kosia? So obi eka nsem anye abasambuo nsem anye na atem dia. You know what it does? Eyi sambro na me ka kire wo no. Cortisol na adrenal na ehwie gu mu a. You know what it do today? They shrink it.
The Bema will mind the no.
The baby, I want to kaya de no.
What the kaya de?
Baby, I want to
retentive memory no.
Echo suya de ya mo control exams no. Ade I want the examination room no. Be you must set. Be or technical drawing and whatever. And they will pen me what you know.
Yeah.
And the biggest weapon and the instrument a child needs when he goes to examination hall, a calculator is the brain.
And you're not in the brain, no.
But my nene papa and someone will catch a memory no or the memory in echo.
Yeah.
Memory no your first. The you catch it on no obe and cody. One cody we are going to retain it.
Papa.
Who retain it because you are obe kai if I'm a recall. So encoding, retention, and recall. Sadamami and saying memory. And they are in Kai.
And they are in Kai with Simu the amount
encoding.
Papa, repeat
encoding. Just a wusia. And a fair retention.
Retention.
A fair retaining.
What retaining knowledge?
Now, by exams, if I'm not recalling.
Recalling.
Just a walk. I said, yeah, 3 years ago. A feature.
A feature.
Once now, Mamma, Papa. Almost sorry. At the Niji. Ye Casachron. A chew and him. Ye Baboasum. Now, and you much say. Some run if you could be like cortisol, and then adrenaline. They go to shrink it. And one memory hippocampus and one. And then I run a bone. Never no more.
A 2 year button, I'm a babble, me babble.
And somehow so it shrinks it. Now shrinking one. You cannot do anything.
I shrink it.
It is a baby about Jai San, someone who catch him Jai. Didn't attempt and say no, and our bone, and our yes, and our more. You are shrinking the child's hippocampus. One outcome.
You are shrinking the child's hippocampus. I like the word. You are shrinking the child's hippocampus.
Obviously, I'll say a hippo and a campus.
Any campus, no. The Bema Kwadana Kai, obe retaining knowledge,
yes,
obe recounting in ano. What's saying through atem didie, mami biti me hweneba, ahwenanim. What do you mean say? What that mean say? Wo mobre bia. Na mami ne catch the bano. Hey, wo minim say, wo mobre bia. Minim say, wa bra boyem kosi aga. Oh, wo minim say be ma bi banye wo ba 13 na wa wo. Wo minim say ye ware wo de wo kwa ye be san de wa ba. Hey, wow. Me wo kra no me bra no kwa me hu se wo jimi an wa jimi no akasa che me ba ne bagina nanimo adan a o person kase de eno papa o kan se akora bi o ye slow learner oni abotre o de be twen ma akoda na sua o person o kan se wo huru nkukuo mu no o mra na akoda na wo huru nkukuo.
Wow.
Eti o person o kan se e botan na wo huru no ba na level e de na me ka cho se ayi urunkukom 10 na 11 afa na so de makache so wajimi makache se bibi papa bi amfiri mu ma na wakeka sansam no eti papa education we die hia
what the brown of the cell na was a hippocampus no ngwa again sa atanjie no na me kan no ebe weak ebe shrink the hippocampus but what is also that is that rational part no and the prefrontal no a weaken no I go say words are powerful. Once another time can say
words are powerful.
Obi say, oh me dear, me nkumu biya. But I can tell you, potentials have been killed by words. Gifts have been killed by words. People have been murdered by words.
Powerful.
And someone enye enfra enkrofa saying ne kunkrofo.
Baba mami repeat it. O say obi timika say me nkumu biya. Me niyewu. Nanso wano kasa.
Oh wakumbi.
Wano kasa kum obi
kuniba
wano kasa di obi ewu
sa
wano kasa pra obi
sa
wano kasa ma obi nti wontimi afofele destiny
ni nyina ya wudie
obi wo wano kasa nti wonyine huni wano kasa ma obi bu ne ho abofia.
And the easiest place we can commit murder is when we have young minds.
Baby, wutimi die wo kese pa ne wo bra adwene ni suafe na adwene ni nyini no.
That's why you can commit the most murderous acts are in our homes.
Ye fear
ya sankra be a doctor and then uchi truck machine obi pa na hu niema akwara nim ya mananko school
Yamana ko school.
Dabi.
Eso wutum say ko school anka de.
Obetumi aye no. On starting school atem the dear. Now you know can me my bravo. I was not a sharp type.
Yeah.
Because I didn't like it. I don't know how I like that. But me person cry in an environment where baby facilitated.
There's a akwada na sua de bibi boa no ma na de sua no koyie.
Eti me be hu na sa.
Wo person be hu akwada. Yeah.
No.
But when you say papa parent bi wo ho a, and fathers bi wo ho a, omo gene say wo de ne hu beto so. Obi okra wo pia na ne ma adwane. Obi okra they say and no na man feel say I'm the father of the house.
Your friend be say king lioness. And about king tiger. Many mo bi so a say obafia e fe no Saddam Hussein.
Saddam
Sadi yawo.
Oya papa na o ma frɛ Saddam Hussein.
Sadi yawo yi. Wow.
O ma frɛ Saddam Hussein.
Obafia Saddam obi. Why? Say with me create a facilitative environment. It's the environment people our children are born into. It's not between she will say maybe I'm coming you na baby me toy. I can force say you want to see so.
You want to see so.
On charity tentini.
On charity.
Yansa bi won pa.
Yeah, yansa bi won.
Because bet ma what to valley bi mu. Valley me ya miao. What the valley mu de da. And I say me also.
There's a yamia wa ma say yes I see you. Papa yamia ni see you.
Me say you be so na anya brania ya church about the mind of poverty.
Oh here Jimmy. Oh here.
I go say I serious. Hey, me share busen bia we here for. But o ma dwene mu da ho.
Omo ye here for.
Yes.
But o ma dwene mu da ho.
Adwene ye sharp.
Wow.
Woni bebre woni sika sa woni dan sa omo ni ka sa
but adwene ye sharp.
Ebi se wo wura ho wo he nkransenshams bia omo nanano e ka kire
there's encouragement be say parents no can no
wo frɛ me grandchildren no say momra ye no mahu mabrabo mahu parent abrabo
yeah
ye generation ye nyanti ase bi but mo de
ye mamu send me de no
mo betumi aye o say me monona
wow
metamochi ade bia adwene bia mbehia na mabraba koyi no monona metamochi na ofre kwasi etesen adwe etesen okoso na de mia ho obetumi aye mia ho etese de abrante ye na ofre ese ono wentumi anko school
yeah
driving no sua nanso wakache ne ho
say yeah
ne ma ebeko school
wow
eti the problem is that ebinimo poverty mentality na woni fie no
yeah
no they are foreign.
When they are foreign kwala no.
Oh hena say mokra kana me man yi no.
Yeah. Mokra mo ka ho.
Na or they are foreign. Eti ne ye pa. Dear baby ya wona wo bate. And some a wo ka kire no.
Wow.
Atamidie. Animtiabuo. Ane ensam a emfra. Oh, na ensam a enhye nkuran. Na eno na wo ka kire no. You are destroying Akra Hippocampus. And a face so you are weakening the prefrontal cortex. Sani ma mienu na bua ma akra esuade. Na wo kasa nsem nyina ache no, you are destroying it. Se me no wa, anka me baby mu aka SOMPA. Na akra no okotro exam si, wa twro na wa yade pa.